Postpartum is one of the most challenging times in a mother's life. Not only are there huge physical changes, but emotionally and the biggest hormone fluctuations as well. However, postpartum is also a time where we can find our true inner strength. As mothers, we have become someone brand new. It's so common to feel weak and tired and not like yourself at all. And for me, postpartum exercise was that spark that started to turn things around so that I could really feel like myself again. While stretching feels amazing, and I do a lot of stretching here on the channel, strength training can really address the root cause of those weaknesses and imbalance to help prevent those aches and pains. I am so excited to introduce my new 5-day postpartum strength challenge. We are going to be focusing on all of the areas that mothers need it most. We will be rotating and alternating the different muscle groups to create a balanced full body weekly challenge. I want to get you feeling stronger than ever before. I will be using dumbbells for this challenge. You're going to want a heavier pair of dumbbells, 20 or 10 pounds, as well as a lighter pair, 3 or 5 pounds. If you don't have dumbbells, that's okay. You can use household objects such as a backpack filled with books or laundry detergent. I will do modifications for diastasis recti. You may want to go lighter on your weights and watch your core and make sure you're not getting any coning or doming down your midline. Challenges are also more fun with friends or family. You can do this with a friend, with your partner, or even with a parent. I will provide both modifications and advanced options. We start Monday, July 22nd at 6 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Give me a high five in the comments if you're going to be joining the challenge.